This is Village Auto's 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 Crew Cab 2-wheel drive. Absolutely gorgeous local trade. You have the custom 20-inch alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires, tow package, chrome step bars, privacy glass. Very sharp, well-maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $6,940. Let's get inside here for you. This one is a cloth interior. Very clean, as you can see. Do of course have full power options, Bose audio system, power driver side seat, AM/FM 6-disc in-dash CD changer, dual climate control, tow haul mode. Altogether very clean, very well maintained truck that runs and drives out excellent. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 Crew Cab home with you today.